Meaning of laissez-faire.
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 Laissez-faire. Laissez-faire is a French term that means let it be or leave it alone. It refers to a philosophy or approach to economics in which the government plays a minimal role in the market, allowing individuals and businesses to operate freely without interference or regulation. This approach emphasizes the importance of free trade, competition, and individual economic freedom. Although this approach has its proponents, others argue that unregulated markets can lead to inequality and other economic and social problems.